So today I'm doing an updated makeup routine. So if you guys want to know how I was able to achieve this look here, keep watching. Stay tuned.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, saucy trippin' swag too.
Oh. Welcome to Chuches Mind.
I may be young, but I'm ready to give you all my love.
Please subscribe, I'm hungry.
Hello, beautiful people. It's been a what? Why, yo? So, hi guys, and welcome back to Chuches Mind. If you're new here, my name is Uchi Bajaka, and if you're not new here, my G Hayes. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am doing an updated makeup routine because it has been highly requested, and it's time for me to stop relying and actually film an updated makeup routine. The thing is that I have like 2-3 methods, so I'm only going to do one here today, and then maybe sometime in future I'll do another one. But yeah, let's get started. Oh, another thing, I am not going to be using the products that I used to use because I just feel like trying out new makeup. But for the past 2-3 months, the makeup I have been using is a combination of these three, but the thing is that I don't mix them, I use them separately. So last month I've been using throughout last month I was using Carbon D Lock It foundation in shade Deep 78 Neutral, Newborn Beauty as well. This is in the shade Adichie W8, and then L'Oreal Paris Inflammable Total Cover in 312 Cocoa Cacao. And lastly, I have been using Lancome Tint. I'm not sure because the thing has kind of wiped off. I don't know if it's Issionary or Missionary, I'm not even sure. But yes, and it is in the shade 12. And the concealer I used to use was LA Girl Pro. Before I say LA Pro Girl, it was in Fawn. The shade was Fawn, but I took this one for my sister, and this shade is Cool Tan. I think that's basically it. And I used to use Laura Mercier setting powder, but that one has finished, so I'm using something different this time around. And then I used to use Kat Von D setting spray, but today I'm using a different setting spray. That's NYX. The thing is that I like having dewy makeup and not what do you call it, matte makeup, because I realized that dewy makeup makes me look finer even though I'm already fine. But yes, I prefer using dewy makeup. What else am I forgetting to say? Okay, so that's it. Shall we start this video? Yes, we shall. But in today's video, I am going to be using Newborn Beauty. Oh, I used to use their primer, but it's kind of finished now. So I'm going to be using MAC primer. Then what do I do? Eyebrow. So you know how people talk about soapy brows? I melted transparent soap and I put it into this container, and then what I usually do is I use this. I'm doing makeup style now. I use this. I'm going to spray it with a little bit of setting spray. Then I rub it here, and then You take it high. You take it up. I don't know why this hand is like this. It's so awkward. And then you do this just to give it some shape. Then what I do next is and I started using this concealer, but the thing broke. Can you see? And it's new. Kat Von D. Look it. You guys think I'm obsessed with Kat Von D. I only started using them because my other whatever you call it finished. Because I want to have some blush on my cheek. I always do this. This is a lipstick I'm using, by the way. You can use any color you want, to be honest, but this is what I like to use. So now it's time to, and sometimes, if not all the time, to be honest, I like to conceal before I put my foundation. She fine. Then I use my eyeshadow primer, because I've been told that if you use your eyeshadow primer on your smile lines, you won't have smile lines per se. I look like a masquerade. I always spray my brush before I add my foundation. I'm using Nuban Beauty. I know I said that already, so yeah. I learned this new trick, to be honest. Instead of just putting it on your face, two dots all over your face, two dots all over your face. Just tap it in. I think foundation has entered my eye. I'll soon start tearing up. If you guys have noticed, yeah, I hardly do so much for my eyeshadow. Hence why today I'm not doing much for my eyeshadow as well. I'm going to be using Kiko eyeshadow in ombre. In ombre. I can't start naming the other things that they're writing there because it's in French. It's in French. En français. Can you see that? I have this very weird method of applying my lashes. I'm gonna show you guys right now. I don't think it's weird. I think people are already doing it. So I usually put my I put on my hand. Oh, this is the lash glue I'm using. I think he said it's for hair. Somebody did my makeup and I saw them use it and I was like, go, you guys to get that. Where's my second? Okay. Leave me now. So what I usually do is I take some of it and I apply it . And then I take the lashes I want to use. And then we fix it. Voila! I don't know if you guys saw that properly. So what I'm going to do next is under eye. I'm going to set my under eye. I'm going to set it. I use this thing, I don't know what it's called. And I just put as that is setting, I'm going to take my contour. My contour. This is Espresso Fenty Matchstick. This is my brush. I heard that you should always brush your contour upwards so you can have like a deep kind of I don't know, my hands like this. And then to dust it off, I use this brush. We're almost done. Then I highlight partially. I go back with that brush that I use for my blush and I just go over my cheek, both sides. And then I take my highlighter. I shall be using and I'll use Zara. You might be wondering why I'm doing this. I don't like it when my highlighter is too harsh. So what am I looking for? I'm using my setting powder from Fenty in Nutmeg. And I put it on the clothes. It's called Pro Filter. Have you? This thing smells so nice. Then that same brush I used to contour. And then now it's time for me to use my kajal. You can never go wrong with this. Shout out to all my Muslim friends and Hausa friends in NTIC. That's the name of my secondary school. And then I'll be going in with, I bought this from a supermarket close to my house. It's liquid eyeliner. All I'm just going to do is connect dots. You know, you feel me? Makeup is not easy. And last but not the least. What kind of like the least? Oh no, I forgot to draw my lips. I'm using this eye pencil from Miss Spotty Superdrug. I'm going to mix it with NYX. I think this is Caro. The last thing on the menu, NYX do we finish? I like to bath myself in setting spray. I don't think I've sprayed my face enough. Oops. Yeah. Let me just wait. Let it sit down. Sometimes I feel like my face is way lighter than my neck, but it is actually not true. Usually because of the lighting that I'm using, or I don't know. But this is my updated makeup routine. I hope you guys love this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though I see the learn work. But yes, I'm also going to be doing a video on how I was able to achieve this sleek hairdo, because everyone has been like, oh my god, Uche, you have natural hair, and how is your hair able to be this low? I was about to, drop that H and A factor. Abi? Yes, but that's not me. But yes, I'm going to do a video about this hair. I'll take it out and then we do it so you guys can see how I'm able to achieve this. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.
Please subscribe, I'm hungry.